Most people sip herbal teas or take cold showers to stay sharp and energized. Anatoli Brouchkov? He went straight to ancient bacteria frozen under the Arctic for millions of years and injected it into his own body. Yes, you read that right. A Russian scientist willingly pumped himself full of prehistoric microbes just to see what would happen. And what followed caught the world off guard. This wasn't done in some dark lab with shady motives. Anatoly is the head of the geocryology department at Moscow State University. He had been studying these frozen life forms for years. The moment he discovered a resilient strain called Bacillus F in the Siberian permafrost, something clicked. This bacteria had survived in the most brutal conditions imaginable for over 3.5 million years. No decay, no dormancy, just active, living cells locked in ice. Most of us would look at that and move on. Anatoly saw potential. He believed there was something powerful hiding in those ancient cells, something that could change the way we understand aging and human vitality. Instead of running a full medical trial or waiting for red tape to clear, he tested it on the only human willing to take the risk: himself. He injected the bacteria straight into his bloodstream. No media circus, no big announcement, just pure curiosity, driving one of the most jaw-dropping scientific self-experiments in history. And here's where things turned from strange to extraordinary. After the injection, Anatoly started noticing some major shifts in how his body responded to life. His energy levels shot up. He stopped getting sick. His immune system seemed to be running on overdrive. For someone constantly exposed to germs through travel and university work, that kind of resilience raised eyebrows. He didn't make wild promises or call it a miracle. He simply stated this: he hadn't had a single cold or viral illness since taking the injection. He felt healthier, more focused, more alive. Researchers began to dig into what made Bacillus F so special. What they found was hard to ignore. The bacteria had incredible DNA repair abilities. Scientists ran tests on animals and found that the injection led to longer lifespans, higher fertility, and faster wound healing. Even in extreme environments, this microbe didn't just survive, it thrived. According to a published study in Advances in Gerontology in 2015, Bacillus F maintained full biological activity after being thawed out from ancient ice. That means it stayed alive and functional after millions of years trapped in frozen soil. This bacteria didn't just represent survival, it represented biological resilience on another level. That's why experts across the globe in microbiology and anti-aging research started paying close attention. Could something buried in the earth for millions of years help us live better and longer? It wasn't all hype. The bacteria was found in Yakutia, one of the coldest places on the planet. Temperatures there can drop below -60 degrees. Life shouldn't even be possible in those conditions. Yet Bacillus F was not just alive, it was active. The genetic mechanisms it used to repair itself, to stay metabolically stable, and to resist degradation were unlike anything seen in modern microorganisms. There's now an entire wave of research exploring how ancient bacteria may unlock powerful treatments. Longevity experts, gut health researchers, and immune system scientists are exploring ways these natural organisms might boost performance, extend youthfulness, or even fight certain diseases. This isn't sci-fi. This is where science is heading, with facts and data pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. Anatoly didn't become a celebrity or ride the hype train. He stayed focused on the science. He didn't pitch a product. He didn't sell a formula. He just did what real scientists do: explore, test, learn, and adapt. Whether or not Bacillus F becomes a mainstream treatment, his bold move opened a door that can't be closed. If there's one thing this story proves, it's that nature still holds secrets far bigger than anything we've engineered. And sometimes those secrets are buried in the most remote, untouched corners of the planet. You don't need to inject ancient bacteria to build a stronger, healthier body. But there are small, proven changes you can make that offer big results. Start by feeding your gut with the right foods. Fermented options like sauerkraut, kimchi, and kefir can help strengthen your immune system. Sleep better. Eat clean. Move more. Those things matter way more than flashy shortcuts. But stay curious. Stay open to breakthroughs, because some of the strangest ideas turn out to be the most powerful. Based on World Health Organization trends, the global population over age 60 is expected to double by 2050. That's why the science of living longer and better is no longer a niche. It's essential. And thanks to one bold scientist, we're now looking deeper into the past for answers to the future.